Good morning, good morning. Great. Hey, go look outside.
Holy moly!
It's a lot of snow.
Yes.
Come on, let's go downstairs.
Okay.
Let's see what we're looking like outside.
It's so much snow. You were right. Daddy, you were right.
Look at it. Look how much snow out there, Pumpkin.
Yeah.
Come here, look.
You know what? Whoa. You know what?
What?
The trees fell down.
Trees fell down
Yeah.
in front?
Yeah.
Where? Oh, yep. Let me see what it looks like. Ooh, wait. Yeah, that's a lot.
You can go out in the snow.
Nope, not right now. Come on, let's go eat.
Yeah.
So crazy. Kind of pretty. Definitely a lot of trees down. Hey, this how you just riding down the regular roads. Almost seem like we on side by sides in the woods. Trees down, you just gotta maneuver around them joints. Yep, 2022 blizzard. We just now making it back out of the house today. Oh, they ain't got my daggone seatbelt on. I just had to pull somebody out. My neighbor had to pull him out of the ditch. I ain't get a chance to record that though. Hopefully, we make it to our destination. It was kind of rough yesterday. Went to go pull my buddy out, never even made it to him after like 6 hours of trying to make it over there. Couldn't even get to him. We had over 14 inches of snow. Right now, we out of power. They talking about we ain't gonna have power for a couple days. So we called a local hotel that's a few miles from my house. We're gonna try to make it down there, see if we can at least get a shower and stuff, maybe hang out for the day. At that, got my wife and my kids, they ain't about that cold life. Not at all. So we're gonna make it on over there and see if we get there safely. Well, we made it to the hotel. And this little one wants to just have a snowball fight or build a snowman. So while we're waiting to check in, I guess that's what we're gonna do. Somebody dropped their milk. Look, found some milk out in the snow. I guess they was thinking the same thing.
Building the snowman?
Nope, keeping the drink cold. So, let's see. Oh, that was a good shot. Yo, went right down my shirt. I got you. Oh. She ducked that joint early.
These are sticky. I don't like them.
Man, you better keep them gloves on. I'm about to get you. Got you. Let's see how we gonna build a snowman. you. Look, this is how you do it.
I'm talking about a big snowman.
I know, you gotta roll the snow. See, that's what you get. You miss. She's rolling. Turn around so you get back in the sun. So you don't be cold. Go that way. There you go. Roll it. Yep, keep on rolling. Now you just add some more to it. Let me show you.
I get
Just pack it on there a little bit. You don't gotta hit it so hard. It'll stay on there. All right. Let's see. Some help?
Yeah.
There you go. Got your little snowman.
Hold on, we need one eye. We need
Huh?
2 eyes.
How you gonna do eyes? No. Hold on, I got you. Look. Got your snowman. Oh, man. Still throwing snow at me, huh? You better stop. Told you, you better stop. You lucky I couldn't get it joint up in time.